Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Here I am providing you the common words of class 1 to 10th of Karnataka syllabus. So let's begin the first video with sound E. B-E, B. B-E-A-C-H, beach. B-E-A-D-L-E, beadle. B-E-A-S-T, beast. B-E-A-T, beat. B-E-A-T-E-N, beaten. B-E-E, bee. B-E-E-N, bean. B-E-E-S, bees. B-E-E-T, beat. B-E-E-T-L-E, beetle. B-R-E-A-T-H-E, breathe. B-R-E-E-D, breed. B-R-I-E-F, brief. C-H-E-A-P, cheap. C-H-E-A-T, cheat. C-H-I-E-F, chief. C-R-E-A-M, cream. C-R-E-E-D, creed. C-R-E-E-P, creep. D-E-A-L, deal. D-E-A-L-S, deals. D-E-E-D-S, deeds. D-E-E-P, deep. D-R-E-A-M, dream. D-R-E-A-M-S, dreams. E-A-S-E, ease. E-A-S-T, east. E-A-T, eat. E-A-T-E-N, eaten. F-E-A-S-T, feast. F-E-A-T, feet. F-E-E-D, feed. F-E-E-L, feel. F-E-E-L-S, feels. F-E-E-S, fees. F-E-E-T, feet. F-I-E-L-D, field. F-I-E-L-D-S, fields.